Austin Reeves doing his master class. Also the Paukat Sport here at Carey Sports.
Alright, sino mo muna? Jaime or Carl? Jaime. Alright, did you get Austin's instructions? Between cross, step back. Between cross, step back. Alright, Jaime, let's see what you got. Hey, the move was there. That was a well executed move. Alright, so Austin, we'd like to know your score for Jaime's execution of the between cross step back. 5. Austin is a tough customer, guys. Alright, Carl. Austin wants nothing but net. You think you can do nothing but net? Alright, let's see what you got, Carl. Let's do it. Between cross and back. Oh, he's a lefty. Austin, both of them hit the board first. Well, what grade are you going to give Carl? 5. Okay. The good news for you guys is you get another goal because we have to get a winner. We have to get a winner. All right, Austin, next move.
We'll go just in between, behind, one triple pull-up. You can go left and you can go right.
Okay, guys. So dito na nangyayari sa Carey Sports. It's the courtside takeover. Arena Plus X Austin Reeves.
Minus points yun, turnover now. Hey, you got the shot to go though. So that might make up for the turnover. Austin, what's your grade?
No.
The shot made up for that missed handle over there. Carl, I think if you can make the shot and make sure that the dribble is clean, Austin's going to give you the win. All right, Austin. Carl got a 6, and that means we have a winner. Congratulations to Jaime. Jaime, ano masasabi mo? You have been a part of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Austin Reeves personally teaching you a specific move to execute, and you did it. Anything you want to say to Austin now that he's